Hello, Kasimplitizens. Yeah, good afternoon. I just came from my work and I have to go to the Bacala or the grocery store for me to buy uh, something to cook, specifically to buy chicken. So we are planning to cook a lugaw or arroz caldo later or by tomorrow. So I have to buy chicken. Yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, what else? And I have to buy garlic. And yeah, look at this. I am walking alone. Alone in the desert. Yeah, contemplating. Yeah, it's sometimes good being alone. Yeah, just wandering and just thinking of anything. And I don't have anything to say right now. My God. Do you agree, right? We need sometimes to be alone. We need some time with ourselves to assess or look back things. Yeah. My God, how are we doing? Are we doing good? Are we not? Are we exaggerating things? Are we thinking too much? Yeah, that's life. My God, this pandemics really brings different taste, different approach, setups in our lives. Yeah, but this is the new normal. You have to be used to it, get used to it, and eventually, yeah, and we can get through this. God is with us, and this happens because we have to learn something, we have to change something, and to have a new perspective, fresh perspectives in our lives. Yeah, should aja, kaya natin to. Yeah, praise God. Look at that, wala na yung chan. Feeling healthy. Yeah, feeling good and feeling awesome. Remember the our tagline or saying last time: be fit, be healthy, and be safe. Okay, see ya. Hello, some citizens. I have just done my shopping. Shopping at the grocery store. Yeah, here what I've got: chicken, leg part, yeah, some stuff. Okay, I actually choose this Bacala near the highway because proximity wise, yeah, it's near our villa compared to the other Bacala in the other side. Yeah, that's our villa. That's there. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to buy garlic. So I will try again in the other Bacala. That's too much farther compared to this. Good luck. Anyway, it's a way of exercise too. Yeah, right? That is our villa. There. Yeah, that. Okay. Idea how far our villa is. Yeah, that's our villa, and that's the Bacala there. So yeah, see, that's our villa. It is actually alone in the center of the desert. Yeah, there. Yeah, building. That building. Yeah. See, but I have to walk just to get into the grocery store. My God. But I always look into the positive side of it. Exercise, exercise. Talagang papaya tayo dito. Wag lang puro higa at tulog. Dapat nating paghirapan kung ano mga bagay na gusto natin, right? Okay.